Hello everyone, myself Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology. So today we are going to see about data link layer. In last two classes we have learned about OSA reference model, how the model can be accessed in the network and what are the different layers we have to face, everything we have seen. So next layer we seen about a physical layer, how the data can be passed from higher layer to lower layer and lower layer to higher layer through some transmission medias. Today we are going to see about data link layer. So the data link layer is a backbone of the network communication. Why means after getting the receiving the data from the physical layer, it can be automatically converted into n several data formats. So that's why I'm saying it is a backbone of the network communication. Introduction, that is just we are going to see about what is data link layer. So it is a crucial for network communication, a transfer of data between direct connected devices. It means like an physical devices we have to communicate with an physical media we have to communicate with an another devices. So it consists of lot of functions. So here error detection method can be used for identifying the errors. Data can be framed and it can be controlled in some sequence. The layer acts as a backbone for the network architecture, enabling reliable connections. So this is the structure of the data link layer. First layer already I said that it is a physical layer. It can communicate with a data link layer. Data link layer automatically communicate with a network layer for data transmission. Host 1 can receive the information from network layer to data link layer. After that it will receive send to the physical layer. Physical layer again send the data to the data link layer, network layer, etc. So data link layer, I said that the data can be divided into frame like structure. So frames means they have to follow certain rules and regulation. The frame which consists of different headers, that means the packet is received from the above layer like a network layer. The packet is sent as an frames. It consists of different segments like header, payload field, and trailer. Automatically, header means the each and every message consists of some IP address, source name, destination name, message contents, etc. It can be sent from one host to another host through the transmission media. Transmission media convert these type of information into a bits. Again, it can be transmitted to the physical layer. Again, it will convert it to the transmission media. After that, again, it will receive from the host to be physical layer. Again, it's sent to the header, payload field, trailers, etc. to the upper layer. This is the structure of the layers, data link layer, physical layer. Already I said that it consists of header part, trailer part, and data. Likewise, it will send the information from one host to another one. Functions of the data link layer. The functions of the data link layer include framing, addressing, and error detection method. Already I said that framing means data can be arranged in the sequential manner. Addressing can be done, error detection can be done. It encapsulates all the packet from network layer into the frame by adding header and trailer. So it requires some accurate delivery. This layer also manage how devices on the same network identify and communicate with each other. Next, error detection and error correction method. Due to the poor network or communication problem, they have to face with an error detection and error detections. Some data can be lost, so it can be identified, and we have to rectify the errors. Again, we have to retransmit the information. Error detection is vital for maintaining data integrity in the network communication. The employer's techniques like and to identify errors, if errors are detected, the layer can be request to retransmission of Corrupted frames ensuring the accurate data delivery. Already I said that if error can be identified means there are different methodology for identifying the errors. Error can be detected and it should be corrected and retransmit the information. So flow control mechanism, there are different flow control mechanism to prevent from the overflow of the data in the data link layer. There are different methods. They are using different algorithm for transmitting the information. Stop and wait, sliding window protocols, which are used to transmit the information between sender and receiver, and they have to prevent from the data loss. This mechanism will avoid the packet loss while transmitting the information. Protocol layer. So already I said that data link layer, it plays an important role. So it understands the protocol in selecting right technology and efficient network communication and management. So I conclude the data link layer by joining the informations, that is gathering the information which we have read previously. So it ensure reliable data transmission through framing, error detection, flow control can be done. So the importance of OSI reference model is considered data link layer. So it plays it like a heart of the layer because it will convert every information into a frames. They have to correct the errors and they have to correct and detect the errors. After that they have to send the information to the higher layer. From this I conclude the data link layer. Thank you.